Good afternoon, everybody. This is your brother Getana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Getana. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to it. Before I immediately start today's lesson, first of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to all of you. Today we have hit 1000 subscribers. So thank you so much. ዛሬ 1000 ሰብስክራይበርስ ገብተናል። በጣም እናመሰግናለን። Okay, before I immediately begin today's lesson, first of all, let me ask you a couple of questions. Here are my questions. Are you a BA graduate, but you don't want to work in your country because your country doesn't pay you fairly, so you want to move to another country? Are you an MA graduate, but you don't want to work in your country because your country doesn't pay you fairly, so you want to move to another country? Are you a PhD graduate, but you don't want to work in your country because your country doesn't pay you fairly, so you want to move to another country? Are you an LLM graduate, but you don't want to work in your country because your country doesn't pay you fairly, so you want to move to another country? Okay, so if you want to move to another country to find better salaries and better opportunities, that is known as brain drain. Brain drain, first of all, these two words are rhyming words. Brain rhymes with drain. In addition, brain and drain are minimal pairs. In linguistics, minimal pairs are pair of words which differ by one sound. በእንግሊዝኛ ወይንም ደግሞ በሊንግዊስቲክስ ሚኒማል ፔርስ የሚባሉት ቃላቶች ምንድናቸው? ጥንድ ሆነው እኩል የድምጽ ብዛት ያላቸው ሆነው ነገር ግን በአንድ ሳውንድ ብቻ የሚለያዩ ከሆኑ እነዛ ምን ይባላሉ? ሚኒማል ፔርስ ይባላሉ። So minimal pairs are pair of words which differ only by one sound. በአንድ ድምጽ ብቻ የሚለያዩ ከሆነ እነዛ ምን ይባላሉ? ሚኒማል ፔርስ ይባላሉ። So brain and drain are minimal pairs because they have the same number of sounds but they differ only by one sound. So what does brain drain mean? First of all, the word class of brain drain is noun. በመጀመሪያ brain drain word class ምንድነው? ስም ነው ወይንም ደግሞ noun ነው። So what is a brain drain? The migration or the movement of educated, skilled or talented people from their native country to another country to find better salaries and opportunities is known as brain drain. Brain drain ማለት በአማርኛ ምን ማለት ነው? የተማሩ ሰዎች ወይንም ችሎታ ያላቸው ሰዎች ወይንም ደግሞ ታለንትድ የሆኑ ሰዎች የተሻለ ደሞዝ ፍለጋ ወይንም ደግሞ የተሻለ እድል ፍለጋ ሀገራቸውን ለቀው ሲሰደዱ ምን ይባላል? brain drain ይባላል። Okay, let's see some example sentences. The first one is there is a brain drain of Ethiopians to Asian countries. There is a brain drain of Ethiopians to Asian countries. The second example is if the government don't pay skilled workers fairly, there will be a brain drain. And the last one is we need to stop the brain drain of IT experts to Dubai. That is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.